These may be faded photographs, soft at the edges, but they hold a story, the story of how Summit River Lodge was born. June 25, 1978. In the forests of British Columbia, the first earth was turned. Concrete was poured, forming the earliest shape of a dream. And soon the first logs arrived, heavy, raw, full of promise. Lumber rolled in. Workers built hard and laughed harder. Guitars, beer, and summer sun. The foundation rose steady and sure. Then the giant logs were lifted into place. As summer turned to autumn, the frame of a future home took shape. And when the first snow fell, the work did not stop. Walls rose higher, defying the winter cold. In mid-December, the last beams of winter were set beneath a silent white forest. Spring 1979, work resumed, full of new energy. The family gathered, even the dog, sharing pride in what stood before them. The cabin rose 2 stories tall, roof beams stretched toward the sky. The archway was cut by hand, rough, difficult, beautiful. Out here in the forest, every pair of hands, young and old, helped bring this home to life. Roof boards sealed the home. Inside, floors, paint, and windows brought warmth. By autumn, the stove glowed, children played, and the rooms filled with life. Years passed, the family grew, and the cabin remained, strong, warm, timeless. This is Summit River Lodge, a home built by hands and kept by love.